Welcome. Today we embark on a journey through the intricate world of academic publishing. Imagine yourself a dedicated researcher surrounded by a sea of papers and a glowing computer screen. This is where it all begins. Publishing your research in a top-tier journal is the result of relentless dedication and hard work. But the path to publication can be daunting. It's filled with challenges and hurdles that can sometimes seem insurmountable. Enter ManuscriptEdit. With our research publication package, we are here to streamline the process for Middle East scholars, PhD candidates, and postdoctoral researchers, empowering your research journey every step of the way. Our package offers comprehensive support from peer review analysis and data interpretation to substantive editing and journal selection. Let us handle the complexities of formatting, submission, and responding to reviewers so you can focus on your research. Choose ManuscriptEdit's research publication package and accelerate your path to publication success. Visit manuscriptedit.com to learn more. Your research, our expertise.